all you'll really need is a tiny flathead screwdriver like this, a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm using a number 2, and then something to pry the door basically off of the door panel off of the door. So I'm already a couple steps in, guys. I have the screws out for the most part, so I'm just going to show you guys how I got to them. So first gotta do is you gotta take this cover off behind the door handle. So you get your little screwdriver in there, pry around the inside, and it'll pop out. Okay. Put that on the passenger seat. Then you're gonna have a Phillips head screw right there. I already took it out though, so just get your Phillips head screwdriver and take that one out. Then you have a cover down here in the door handle. You're gonna get your screwdriver in that cover in that little notch, pull that out, and there's another Phillips head in there. So you can take that one out. There's a little cover right here. You're gonna pop that cover off. You can see it's only being held on by one little push clip basically. And then, the 2 tabs right here are just to hold it in place. So pop that off. And we got one more that I didn't take off yet. So right in the corner here, you have another Phillips head. So you're gonna pop that off. Now you get your little pry tool, you get in between the door, and you just pop all the clips out. I already did that as well. So you have these little clips, you're just gonna get in between, pop them out, they'll snap right out of there, all around the door. You can see this whole door is basically hanging off now. Then you're gonna grab the door, you're gonna pull it up over the side there. So here's the inside door. You can see why I'm replacing the door handle. It is broken and the cable's just hanging there now. So we're gonna unplug our switches here. They're gonna have little push tabs. So this one has it on this side. You're gonna push it with your finger and pull this plug out. Okay, there was one. Here's the other one. Same thing, it's on the front side of it. You're gonna push the tab in, pull it out. So there's the tab I'm talking about. You just press them in. Same thing for this one. Press it in and pull it right out. Then you got one more right here. There's the tab for this one right in front of you. So the tab for that one is actually right here. It's going to be facing you. So to get the cable off of the old door handle, you got this little tab here. You're just going to press that in and turn it and pull it out. This one popped out on its own already. So then for the handle, you've got 4 Phillips heads holding the handle in. So we're going to take those out. And I'll get back with you guys after I take all these out. Alright, we got them all out. Just pull the handle right out of there. New one, we're going to throw the new one right in. Get them all back in, and we're going to throw it back together. So as you guys can see, the old handle is completely broken. Wasn't doing anything for me. The spring in there is probably broken or something inside of there. So we got the new one bolted on. Get this back up here. So to get this cable in, we're gonna see if I can do this with one hand. We're gonna slide it in underneath the front side here. And then the clip is in the back side. You're gonna push it in and clip it in. So I cannot do this with one hand, but what I can do is try to show you with the old one. So you get it underneath these two tabs, and then you push it into that clip right there. All right, guys, so you can see I got it in there. Don't forget to plug your 3 plugs back on, the one up top here and the 2 down below on your switch. Now to get this door back on, we're gonna slide the top half over and down inside of this window cowl. Alright, so we got it all in there. Now we're just gonna go around and smack all these clips in, get them all clips back in. Put that back on, same thing, just push it in there. And put all your Phillips heads back in and you're good to go. All right, guys, so you can see we have a working door lock. We have a working door handle. This car is good to go, should be a happy customer. If this video helped you guys out, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.